It's day 2 of the 12 Days of Mocktails Countdown Holiday Mocktails edition. So we're live. I'm in the kitchen again. And earlier today, I shared an unboxing video of me unboxing a bunch of coffee syrups. So I'm building my at-home coffee bar. So I'll be sharing that journey with y'all. And I couldn't wait. I'm going to be using one of those syrups that I unboxed earlier, which is the gingerbread latte syrup. So tonight's drink is an iced gingerbread chai tea latte. Say that 10 times fast, but it's a semi Starbucks inspired, but Starbucks hoop, because we're about to make it ourselves. Okay. So let me turn the camera around and down and we will get started. I got everything set up already. Let's see. I'm gonna get a good angle so y'all can see. Okay. And I'm going to explain everything that we have. Let me make sure you can see well. Let's turn some more lights on. Get a little bit closer. And I think we're good. Let me just slide everything over so you can see. Hey, hey. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome. So we are getting ready to make an iced gingerbread chai tea latte. So I already have all my ingredients out. Let me just share what I have and then we'll go ahead and whip it up. We're not going to be here long. So I was going to make my own chai tea, but I found this. It's the Tazo or Tazo. How do y'all pronounce this brand? I don't know. T-A-Z-O. But they have a classic chai latte. It says it's a black tea. And it says it's a rich blend of black tea, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and vanilla. You can blend it with milk and enjoy hot or iced. So we're going to just use this. So it says to do equal parts of this with milk. So we're going to use this as the base of our drink. For the milk, I have oat milk. This is the Califia Farms oat milk, and it's the extra creamy one. It's gluten-free and dairy-free. Then we have gingerbread latte syrup, which I found on the Jordan Skinny Syrups. Why I like this Jordan Skinny Syrups site. I love this brand. They have lots of great syrups. So we're going to use that. It's 0 calories, 0 sugar. Then we have the Ghirardelli caramel sauce. I have some cinnamon powder. I have some whipped cream because we're going to do whipped cream for garnish. And then I also pulled over some brown sugar. I think we're going to add brown sugar into our glasses. And then of course I have ice. So, let's get started. So in true Starbucks fashion, I'm going to write our name on our glasses. These are 16-ounce cups. So this would be a grande size. So let me put my name. I'm going to put the bottom. I'm going to just put Shay. And then I'm going to do key one. Kiara. You got to start it out right, you know. If I'm trying to be an at-home coffee bar, I got to do what I don't have to do what the coffee bars do, but I'm going to. And so this is going to be iced. So I've got ice here. Let me just be careful. I got to pour any. And I'm just going to do light ice. It's not really light, but it's okay. So we've got ice. And then I'm just going to build the drinks in here. So I think what I'm going to do, you know what I should have did? I should have waited to put the ice because I want to drizzle the inside of the glasses with caramel. It's not too late to start over. It's never too late to start over. So caramel. Feel free to use any caramel sauce that you like. And I'm just going to drizzle or what is it called at Starbucks? Line the cup. We gonna line the cup. Okay. And here's one cup. And then here's the other one. Have some fun with it, you know? All right. Here's cup 2 that we lined. If y'all come in and you want to chat and say, hey, feel free. So now I'm going to put the ice back. All right, excellent. And so now here we go with the chai tea base. Again, you can steep your own if you prefer. I think the next time I am going to try that. So let's do half a cup. And then I can do half a cup of the milk as well, because it says to do equal parts. So let's do that. Half a cup is going to be, well, I need to do less than half a cup because I don't want it to overflow. Because our cup is 16 ounces. Let's do a fourth of a cup. Let's start with the fourth cup of each item. So I got my fourth cup. Okay. All right. That's really not that much. So let's go ahead and do, so it is going to end up being half a cup in each one. Okay. It smells so good. Okay, so we've got our chai tea. Next, let's add in our oat milk. Okay. So we're doing a half cup of oat milk too. But it said do equal parts, so I'll follow those instructions. Sometimes I break the rules, but I'll follow the instructions for what they advise. Okay. So we've got our chai tea latte, our chai tea in the glass, and then we've got in our cups, and then we've got our oat milk in there. So next, let's do our gingerbread syrup. So again, this is a 0 calorie, 0 sugar syrup. And it says it can be used in drinks and in baking. So obviously we're using it in drinks. So this will be my first time using this. So let's see how many pumps it's going to take. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps. I'm going to do 4 pumps in each one to start with, because I don't want to make it too sweet right off the bat. Okay. Then I'm going to use my brown sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle some in. I was going to make this in a shaker, and then so I could like shake the brown sugar, but I decided not to. And I don't really have a measurement for this. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in each one. Okay. I'm also going to sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon. Sorry, so it's flying out of my hand. Okay, and then I'm going to stir. See what we got. This is so good and so fun. For all my baristas out there, if you have any at-home barista advice for me, drop it in the comments. Let me know. Because I have so many syrups. I'm going to have to do a separate video so I can show you all the syrups that I ordered. But I'm super excited. I have a sugar cookie one. I have this gingerbread. I have a pumpkin spice waffle flavored syrup. I'm super excited for that. So let me go ahead and grab a straw and taste test to see if we need to make any tweaks. So in the spirit of the holidays, I have a holiday straw. So let's go ahead and do our taste test real quick. Let's see what this tastes like. Ooh, this is good. This is good, y'all. Okay. That tastes perfect to me. So we're going to leave it as is. And now all we have to do is garnish. So what I'm garnishing with is Ready Whip. This is just the original. Sometimes I get the extra creamy as well. But we're going with original. And so let's get our so cute. We're gonna add a little, oh, this one's a little cuter. Let's see. Let's try that. There we go. And now we're just gonna add some more cinnamon on top and we'll be done. And it really does taste like gingerbread. It's really good. Okay. So that's that. Let's go ahead and let's see. I already have one straw right here. This is the straw I drank out of. And I'm going to give Kiara the striped holiday straw. And then I have a little surprise. I found some little ginger snap cookies. And I was like, what kind of this would be a cute garnish. So let's see what we can do with this cookie. This is how they look. They're like crispy. I'm gonna just throw it on top. I just feel like just be as extra as you want, you know? Especially now. It's the holidays. Okay. I'm happy with it. So this is how it looks. Super cute, right? So this is our iced gingerbread chai tea latte. You could also drizzle some more caramel on top if you would like. Let's do that. And we done. We are so done. Hey, Sister Gwen, thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in. Y'all share this with people that like gingerbread stuff and they like chai tea, Starbucks fans. Like, this is a Starbucks dupe recipe. And it's really good. So I just got on the Starbucks train. But I'm taking a break because all my gift cards are gone. And I'm going to be enjoying my own at-home coffee drinks from here on out. So here's our end results. Yay, super easy, super quick to make. You could even make this overnight, like make it ahead of time. Like you could mix your tea, your milk, and your gingerbread syrup, and you could refrigerate it and then, you know, serve it for if you have guests or something. This would be super cute for like the night before Christmas. If y'all have any like Christmas traditions, like Christmas Eve, wrapping gifts, or just have people over, or even like breakfast or brunch on Christmas morning, I would recommend this. So yes, well, thank y'all so much for tuning in. And we done. Let's see. Let me see if I can. I want to turn the camera back around. Yes, we done. Gotta make sure stuff don't fall apart, you guys. I'm doing too much right now. Oh, how do you do it hot? Okay, yes. So you can do it hot. So the way you would do it hot is if you're using this. So this I got from the store. I just found this at Walmart, I believe. This is the Tezo brand, which is really good. And it says if you wanted to do it hot, you could just heat it on the stove, or you could also heat it in the microwave. So probably what I would do is, this is a 32 ounce container. So if you were going to use something like this, all you would do is just pour however much you want to use into, I would do it on the stove. I wouldn't want to do it in the microwave. So I would do it on the stove and just like a saucepan or whatever, warm it up. You can even add more seasonings to it if you want to. Like you could add in cinnamon sticks, you could add, cloves, whatever else you would want. Let it get warm and then mix it with your milk. I used oat milk. This is the extra creamy Califia Farms oat milk. But if you like almond milk, if you like regular milk, you could use coffee creamer if you want. But that's what I would do. And it probably would be good and warm. I think I am going to try it warm too. So thank you for that suggestion. I'm going to try it warm at some point. So yeah, this is what we have. This is day 2 of our 12 days of holiday mocktails countdown. I think I mentioned on last night's post where I put the results of what the drink looked like, that I have a surprise coming and it's related to holiday mocktails. So I want to make sure that you all don't miss out on any of the updates. So make sure that you sign up for the Moxbox newsletter. I'll put the link to it in the comments here too, because I want everybody to stay in the loop so that when I share, you all know what's going on, because y'all have followed me through this journey and you've you were with me when I started doing Mocktail Mondays back in 2020. And I want to keep y'all with me. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching. And I'm about to go drink this. So have a good night. Bye.